Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into how modern technology is revolutionizing factory operations. If you're in the industry, you're likely aware that the landscape is changing faster than ever before. So, let's break it down. First up, we have automation. Robotics and AI are no longer just buzzwords. They're actively reshaping how we approach manufacturing. Think about robotic arms working alongside human operators, performing tasks with precision and speed. This not only boosts productivity, but also minimizes human error. Next, let's talk about the Internet of Things, or IoT. Imagine a factory floor where every machine is interconnected, communicating in real time to monitor performance, predict maintenance needs, and optimize workflows. This kind of connectivity means fewer breakdowns and more consistent output. Now, there's also the rise of additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing. This technology allows for rapid prototyping and even the production of complex parts that would be impossible to create with traditional methods. It's all about flexibility and customization, enabling factories to innovate like never before. And don't forget about big data. With sensors and smart devices collecting a plethora of data, we're now able to analyze every aspect of the production process. This leads to informed decision-making, improved efficiency, and cost savings. Lastly, augmented reality and virtual reality are making their mark. Think of AR glasses guiding technicians through complex repairs, or VR simulations for training new employees in a risk-free environment. These technologies are enhancing skills and safety in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. In conclusion, modern tech is not just about flashy gadgets. It's about creating smarter, safer, and more efficient factories. As industry professionals, it's crucial to stay ahead of these trends to remain competitive. So, what tech are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.